Okay, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is going to be a short vlog today. It's a family time and everything, but I'm taking a few moments. Hey, puppy, hot dog puppy. Noche las Velitas here in Colombia, Envigado, and everybody's just having fun. Firecrackers being blown in the sky. Families getting together. Even though tomorrow is the official day, the Immaculate Conception by the Virgin Mary of Jesus Christ. People are celebrating outside with their businesses and everything. And I am traveling, Eddie, and I am in Colombia now. This is home for me. I'm a Colombian-American, just in case you don't know. And look at the different little forms they make. These little candle holders, like little lanterns and everything. It's very nice. It's very, very nice. And look at the church right over there, San Jose Church. Now this is one of the best kept secrets for foreigners, from foreigners, basically. But I'm going to be talking about this pretty soon in the vlog. This is like a little town within a town of Envigado, and it's Tutaina Turuma, popular thing that I used to listen to when I came here as a kid. So I'm look over there. They got a hot air balloon, little ones that they build with paper, like kite paper, and it's very popular here in Colombia. The church is right behind, right over there, the San Jose Church, and they're the three wise kings. The three wise kings, los tres reyes magos. And this is December 7th right now, tonight. And I'll upload this and you guys can see it later. Some people on horseback doing their thing, drinking their liquor, and a lot of stuff going on here tonight. And let me see if I can show you more along this road. Now this is always very lively on the weekend, but today's not the weekend. Today's a Tuesday night, and people are happy just celebrating. And there are people there celebrating, having una sancochada, whatever, and having fun as a family. So you see more little lanterns with the candles inside, different shapes, forms that they make them. And this is big here, and this whole area is nice. So I highly recommend, if you really want to enjoy the Christmas spirit, Colombian style and Paisa style, to come to Envigado. This is even better than Medellín, in my opinion. Way better than Medellín. And look, there's a fond over there, another bar place. I mean, this is what you will see on December 7th more than December 8th. Families just hanging out, doing their thing, drinking something, whether it be non-alcoholic beverages or alcoholic beverages, and they're here with their kids. The kids are enjoying it because this is for everybody, and listening to typical Colombian music and all of that, like you hear in the background. It's very nice. Even the dogs having fun. Buenas noches, ¿cómo están? And it's very nice. Look at these things right here. This is other forms that people buy and put candles in so they can look very nice. You want the Colombian experience? You gotta come and live it in December. And I recommend Envigado, La Estrella, Sabaneta, in these mom and pop neighborhoods, not the rich people areas like El Poblado, Medellín, because you will not get the same. You will not get the same. Look at people over there just enjoying their stuff. And there are a lot of restaurants here, and these restaurants, look at these other candle holders here, these lanterns. All of that, very nice. And across the street, they're enjoying their thing over there. People just hanging out, the Christmas spirit. People are tired of all the craziness going on, and they want to have fun. So I'm not using my gimbal because I just needed to sneak away from the family for a little while. Don't want them yapping at me. My mom gave me permission, but I didn't ask for anybody else's permission. I just, Mom, is it okay with you if I slip away for 15 minutes? She said, yeah, go ahead, son, go ahead. Do your thing. I know you got to do you too. And yeah, I love my passion, and I love sharing it with you. So I'm going to tell you right now, starting January 2022 and onward, on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, I'm offering my services as a guide, tour guide, interpreter here for the metropolitan area. And I will leave my contact number, my phone number, WhatsApp number here in Colombia, so you can contact me and we can talk and all that and see what it is you want, because I'm a bilingual native speaker of English and Spanish, born and raised in the U.S., and I learned Spanish from my mom and dad. So this is all good. So people are just enjoying life. Look at all that. It's all cool, all awesome. I love this. Look at, even with the jars. This is good with the jars and all of that. This is Christmas in Colombia. And let's go see something down there a little more. I hope you're enjoying this. If you are, please give this video a like. It'll help it get out to more people. Hit the subscribe button, it's free. It helps the channel grow. Helps Traveling Eddie grow. Thank you very much if you do. And if you don't, thank you very much anyway for listening, hearing me out. And hit the subscribe, the notification bell so you can know every time that I'm uploading another video. And you can share this on your social media networks too, with other people that don't really know about these things, and through WhatsApp with your friends, your family, anybody that's interested in these things. Look at how people are just enjoying life. If you want to see life, not like in the States, which is pretty different, and people are just cooking, making their food here, cookouts and everything, and people are throwing up fireworks and their globes up there like I told you. Everybody's just enjoying with their different music. It's all a family affair, cookouts with a barbecue grill. Very nice. And everything is just awesome. Kids, family, doggies, even the cats sometimes. So yeah, I'm enjoying it. It's just awesome. Christmas in Colombia. Christmas in Colombia is awesome. And now I'm gonna go make my way back towards my family so I can spend more time with them so they don't yapping and go yappy wappy. And I hope you like this short video. I was planning to do a live video today, but I said forget it. I'm not gonna do a live video. I just gotta spend more time with my mom because I want to. I feel it. So let me go over here and show you guys one more thing down the street. I'm happy to be back in Colombia. I love Colombia, and especially this place. I love it all. I love it, love it, love it. A little typical bar there, people listening to their music, happy, Merry Christmas stuff and all that. This is Envigado. You want the local life experience, you want to really feel the local life experience, forget about Medellín. Medellín is cool, but this is next door to Medellín. This is Envigado, and people are just enjoying it all. It's just a way of enjoying life. What can we say? It's awesome. Buenas noches, ¿cómo están? Qué bien, que la disfruten mucho. Con gusto. And here is the Virgin Mary. I showed it in the shorts video. People are just chilling, having fun. So we have it right here. I don't want to get hit by a car. Never, ever. So we got right there the Virgin Mary. There you go. And you got the little candles lit up all around it. And more right here. I'm gonna get away before a car comes and takes me out. And a family affair. Everybody's having fun. Everybody's enjoying Christmas. It's the Christmas spirit. Even the dog is happy with the Christmas spirit. And there are even more other neighborhoods that are even more lit up. And in the distance you have El Poblado, Medellín, the beginning, that borders with Envigado, all the way over there, all the way up on the mountain. And then if you see those little red dots in the sky, those are globos. Hot air balloons, small ones, maybe about from the tire up to this high here, or sometimes a little higher, bigger, and they are inflated with hot air and this kind of thing they put on them, but you would have to see it. I don't like them because they've caused a lot of fires and everything in the past, burning people's homes and all, but it's good. So anyway, that's it for now. Traveling Eddie, gonna be signing off at this moment. And remember, I'm gonna say one more time, if you're planning to come to Medellín and Envigado, this area, you want to go to Guatapé, Peñol Walk and all that, and you need an interpreter because you don't speak Spanish or very little, and you want to get around, I'm offering my services because I'm not going to be traveling for the next 2 years or so because I'm going to be keeping my mom company, but I'm still going to teach English Monday through Thursday online, and on Fridays and Saturdays and Sundays I'm starting the business of the tour guide interpreter thing. And well, I gotta watch it. I want to make it into 2022. I don't want to get hit by a vehicle. Now I'll leave my information down below in the description box. My phone and my email. Again, my new phone number I got here in Colombia that I got today. But I gotta show you something more right down the street. I'm not gonna talk anymore, but you're gonna see with a bunch of horses there, and it's a cantina type fonda, F-O-N-D-A. You know, roadhouse, fonda. In Spanish, in English, it means roadhouse. So I'm not gonna talk anymore. You can see it right over there, where the horses are. And That's it. Just wait for it. Don't shut off the video yet. I'll see you guys later, but enjoy the rest of this. The next 30 seconds or so.